what y'all doing, it just sound outdated. Like, the new way. You gotta think about, the generation and what's going on in the culture. That's all I'm saying.
They say that rap changed. Well, I still sport the same clothes. I'm still decked out, don't make me get my cane go. These niggas still rapping about these lame hoes. Well, it's like the saying go, you gotta have a plan. See, my foundation solid and I stand on it. What else? Niggas waiting for me to fail, don't depend on the Benz on it. Them empty frames, where the lens, homie? Cause they gotta be missing. If you think that this the end, homie, yeah. The truth, it make you cringe, don't it?
What happened,
I can't
Chrisean?
let a culture vulture take a win. If it ain't real, I ain't spitting on it. Fuck if you dig it on me. I gotta paint a picture, gotta put a vision on what happened to the storytellers. All I hear is boys yelling. Them niggas super born, really they just ordinary. Fans, they don't expect much, they don't make them stand up.
Excuse me, sir, what are you guys arresting him for?
If they ain't had us. This shit is sad, bro.
A warrant out for what?
And they don't care about no
A warrant for what, sir?
Man, fuck no, man. People just wanna turn up these days, man. Ain't nobody rapping like that no more, man. Y'all niggas played out. We just wanna get lit, man. Pop pills, man. Have a good time, man. Won't y'all niggas chill? Y'all done had y'all time. It's our time, nigga. Yeah. Fuck that old school shit. Fuck that old school shit.
Look, they ain't rapping, call that emo thugging. For the last album, we did king shit. For the next one, I'ma drop a toe and repost something. Get it back to where it's supposed to be.
Just wanna get lit, man. Pop pills, man. Have a good time.
They look at me like I'm an outcast. My word is born. They look at me like I'm the old man on the porch. Like, don't run through my lawn, a nigga. I'm getting sick of this tough guy talk. That's just my thought. Shit, he played the game and one guy lost. You put your hand on that stove if you want to. It's gonna burn you, but after that, that's gonna learn you. They want that toxic, they want that nonsense. I'm convinced it's not hard to see. Gang, gang, bang, bang. That's your claim to fame. Flame firing out that 4-5. Spin around the block a few more times. Soundtrack to the black top bar, no lies. Cynical renditions of genocide. They drilling on this block, call it hi-hats double time. Drum rolling.